Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2024 Ford Transit equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We will first open up the doors. And then use this pendant to bring the lift down. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. So with this van here, you would be able to fit two wheelchairs at the same time. You also have a seat on the side here. And this van here only has 3,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here only has 3,000 miles. You'll also have a backup camera with the beeping. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.